Ka office jong district Ayush Society Ribhoi district Mynta ka khanrio tarik jilio kalara khi ya ka International Day of Yoga ka bakhat ar ha State Sport Council Nongpoh halor ka phang yoga for health aging ha ka bari ki spa ngut ki samla puli ka Ribhoi College but St Joseph Academy of Nursing Umtro kilawan ban Shimbynta ha ka ni Sngi nasa khiru ban pinchngal min CM da ka jingdan lang uba Mayral bonds em MLA ka Nongpoh kum ukongsan ha ka jingdan lang ka kong Rona khimdek MDC u Dr. H Lanong kibla hyar madan lang ban Shimbynta ha ka jingade ka yoga na ka binta ka koit ka khia bat ka jingmut jing perkhat ka baklain habakran ha ka ni Sngi uba Mayral bonds em uloong banalor ka jing bon kam ha ka jing em ka baman ka Sngi kum kinongram ki samla pulie ki riu san perthai bat hala ki jong ki kam ki jam kalong ka badan kam pat bangin don ru ka met ka bakot ki khia bat ka yoga kalong ka wei na ki limti
Let's start. Keep your hands on your waist, on your hip joints. Now we will go for Ardha Chakrasana. Inhale. Then backwards. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come up. Now, let us sit down. Relax in this posture. Legs together. Now bend one by one. Bend your legs. This is Vrikshasana. Hands in Chin Mudra. This is Chin Mudra. Hands in Chin Mudra. Close your eyes. Take a deep inhalation. Exhale completely. Relax. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply.
Our day-to-day life, despite of our busy schedule as a student, as a parent, as a farmer, as a businessman, as a politician, as a professional in all your profession, it is very important that we have to ensure ourselves to have a good health. We have seen many young people engage themselves in various sports activities, and we have seen nowadays, since this mantra, I must say, that has been launched by the government of India to observe the International Yoga Day, in which the Honorable Prime Minister of our country has led from the front, in which various countries in the world, they understand the importance of yoga. Today we are here to ensure that each and every one of us who are present here, we will be in the habit that every day we should do yoga. And it is important to relieve ourselves from various tension in life that we encounter in our day-to-day life. We understand, myself as a politician also, even Kong also will witness, it is not an easy task for us also, a huge of challenges that we have to be bear in mind, physically, mentally. But I'm not wrong to say, even though I'm not an expert in yoga, but in few physical exercise every morning, it helps me a lot by doing a free hand exercise at home. I understand, I feel some relief out of it. So we must pledge, each and every one of us, to ensure that we should do yoga for the benefit of each and every one of us. Physically, mentally, we should be fit, irrespective of the background we come, irrespective of the lifestyle we have, the food habit that we used to, but we have to ensure that yoga is important, and we have to ensure not only to ourselves, friends, relatives, children at home, we will follow this process, which is very important to each and every one of us.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.